I'm in my poncho hooch, screaming in fucking pain without making a noise. Till it was fucking done burning. When it got done burning, it didn't chafe again. Not cool, you know what I mean? And then when I got to my squadron, my troop had run selection. So I went to the troop that ran my selection. That dude was my medic.
How'd that
my first
go?
medic. And I was like, hey, can I? And then I'm a new guy on the team. Luckily, this like mid-level guy to like next to be leadership guy on my team was in Ranger Battalion, and we were really good friends. So I'm like, yo, what's up with this fucking medic dude? You know what I mean?
Your #1 source for military stories.